In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare for the workshop. As you know, R&D tax relief is all about rewarding innovative activities. In advance of the workshop, we really need you to start thinking about your projects, both the ones that you know qualify and those that you think will potentially qualify. Remembering that the definition of R&D tax isn't limited to just sophisticated blue sky thinking. At any one point, your company is able to make an R&D tax claim for its 2 previous financial periods. As a general guide, write a list of the most technically challenging projects that you and your team have had to resolve. This should include projects that have failed. Remember, R&D is often embedded within your commercial projects and is not just limited to your internal development work. For example, as a main contractor within the construction industry, we often find R&D across almost every element of your process. You and your team's contributions to the initial design, the development of a demolition and remediation strategy, working with specialist substructural engineering contractors to resolve challenges, the design and implementation of temporary work solutions, specifically within challenging environments such as confined space or listed buildings, working with suppliers to produce specialist components such as facades and balconies and the development of their fixing details, the technique development to reduce program length and remove works from the critical path, and overcoming challenging M&E requirements and/or unusual fit-out requirements. These are all areas that we'd be interested in talking about at the next stage. To help frame our conversations at the workshop, put your ideas down in the workshop preparation document. Finance team, great news. All we need from you is a list of all of your employees. Again, put these down in the workshop preparation document. Please don't spend more than half an hour on these tasks, and if at any point you need some inspiration, there are loads of case studies and examples on our website. Or of course, pick up the phone and we'd be happy to help you.